Alright guys, you're welcome to Kane's Motion. On today's episode, I'll be talking about how to get monetized and make money on YouTube. Yes, so please, if today is your first time coming, this happens to be my new YouTube channel, make sure you subscribe and activate the bell icon so that you can catch up my updates. And on this very channel, I do talk about how to make money online, more YouTube gigs. And for the musicians, I help you to know different gigs that will help you climb your professional music ladder. Yes, and that of lifestyle and entertainment. So if you are here, you are welcome. Make sure you stick and stay for more exclusive updates. So today's topic is very simple: how to get monetized and make money off YouTube. Most of the time beginners do complain, and others who have been on YouTube for a very long period of time, and they've been wondering how they can get monetized and make money from their videos. Point one, make sure you are following YouTube policies. Before you set up a YouTube channel, the first thing you have to do is go through YouTube policies and monetization policies. We have do's and don'ts. So have time, just search YouTube policies, read about it, and make sure you comply, because if you don't, you might have your channel monetized today and get it demonetized tomorrow. Point two, you need to have 1,000 subscribers on your YouTube channel. Yes, 1,000 subscribers. In other words, just like followers on your social media handles, you need to get 1,000 subscribers. Point three, you need to have 4,000 watch time. When you talk about watch time, take note of this: it is not the same as views. The views, you see the count on your videos, but with the watch hours, you will see it in your analytics. So when you talk about watch hours, it is the total audience retention. Okay, when we take the people or the users who visited your YouTube channel, the videos they watch, some watch minutes, some watch hours, some watch seconds. So when all these views are being added together and converted into hours, you have to reach 4,000 hours. So should we convert the hours to minutes, it means you need to get about 240,000 minutes. 240,000 minutes is equivalent to 4,000 watch hours. So make sure you have these basic requirements, and yes, you are good to go. And hey, one may be wondering how he or she can do this in a short period of time. First of all, you have to, to get subscribers and watch time, you have to be, doing great content. Okay, identify your niche and do great content. Two, you have to be sharing your works on various social media platforms. And take note of this: there are certain things that when you do, your watch time doesn't count. That's one. If you sponsor your videos with Google Ads, the watch hours are not being counted. And two, should you have a video on your YouTube channel and you delete it, once you delete, it goes with the watch hours you've accumulated. And three, if you have your video under unlisted and private, okay, if you have your videos under these sessions, the watch hours are not being counted. I believe this video helped you. If you have any other suggestions, you can just drop them in the comment section, and please make sure you like if you really love this. Even if you don't like it, make sure you drop your suggestions in the comment section. Make sure you subscribe, share the video to friends and family. Hola.